In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Shopify store to Instagram Shop. Step-by-step guide. First, open your Shopify admin on your computer. From your dashboard, look for the option to add a sales channel. You'll typically see an Add button near your Sales Channels section. Click that, and then choose to browse the Shopify App Store. This is where we'll find the official tool that links your products to Instagram. In the App Store, use the search bar and start typing Instagram. From the results, select the Facebook and Instagram app by Shopify. This is the official sales channel that connects your catalog to both Facebook and Instagram. Open the app listing, review the description if you'd like, and then click Install. Shopify may show a confirmation screen asking you to approve permissions. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Install or Confirm again. This grants the app access to your products so it can sync your catalog. Once the app is added, it will load inside your Shopify admin. Click Get Started to begin the setup wizard. You'll see a prompt to connect account. Click that to link your Facebook account, which is required for Instagram Shop. A secure Facebook login page will open. Sign in with the Facebook account that manages your business assets. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as prompted. After logging in, follow the guided prompts. You'll be asked to confirm or choose your business manager, your commerce account, and your product catalog. If you already have a catalog, select it. Otherwise, the app can create one from your Shopify products. Make sure the correct Instagram account is selected and that it's a professional account connected to your Facebook page. A few quick tips as you proceed. Ensure your products comply with commerce policies, include clear images, pricing, and availability, and use the right shipping and return details in Shopify. If a product doesn't appear on Instagram, check its status in the app's catalog section inside Shopify. Sometimes it takes a little time for products to sync and be reviewed. When the connection is complete, you'll see confirmation inside the Facebook and Instagram channel in Shopify. From there, your products will start syncing. Head over to Instagram, and once your shop is approved, you'll be able to tag products in posts and stories and use the Shop tab on your profile. That's it. You opened Shopify, went to the App Store, found Facebook and Instagram, installed it, started the setup, connected your account, and signed in to complete the link. Give the system a little time to sync, then review any alerts in the channel to